Hello, in this presentation I will show you how to wrap the content of cells in Google Sheets. I'm going to use this very small data set as an example because I want it to be very easy to see what we need to do and what changes happen once we select different options in the menu. Please notice that in the first row we cannot see the content of each cell, right? Some of it is clipped and some of it is flowing into the other cells. So if I want to be able to see, for instance, the content of this cell, one option would be to change the width of this column by dragging the line. Of course, this is not the most precise way to do it and not very practical when we want to see the content of a large number of cells and we work with a data set that includes many columns and many rows. So a more systematic way to do it would be to select the cells where we want to apply this change. For instance, in this case, I want to be able to see the content of the first row, which shows the variable names. So I'm going to select row 1, and then we can go to the menu, the format option, and then from the wrapping option, we select wrap. The overflow option is the one that is active by default. So what we want now is wrap. After we click on wrap, we notice that the change was applied to all of the cells in the first column. So now I can see the content of each cell.